How to find ESPN Fantasy Draft Grades. To find draft grades on ESPN Fantasy, simply follow these steps. Firstly, on your device, install the ESPN Fantasy from App Store or Play Store. Once installed, open the app on your device. Make sure that you log in or sign up to your account. At the very top, you will see different panels with different categories. Click on the category where you have made your team. If you haven't created your team or league, simply click on Create or Join League to create your own. Once you have done that, go to your league and click on My Team. Then you will land to this kind of interface. From the top, click on League tab. Inside your League tab, you will see different options like these. If you scroll down a bit, you will see this standing section. Here you can find your league standings. Along with that, you can also find other sections also. For example, your standing glossaries. All the draft grades about your team will be right here. You can also sort your scoreboard according to the date. So that's all for today. Thank you.